Hello, this is Eric at Print Show at Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford Ranger in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat where you have comfortable seating for three. You also have fold-out armrests with two cup holders in the middle, as well as having a 110 volt power outlet down there with two USBs. And the seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some storage bins underneath. Looking at the front, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information with a digital speedometer, distance to empty, trip odometer, trip timer, fuel economy, and all the stats together. Then you have your fuel economy separately, your truck info such as power distribution and your lane keeping system, your driver assist settings and features, and settings in general for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. You do have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock there, but then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have plenty of options there for whatever you want to listen to. You do have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, so you can stay at different temperatures and remain comfortable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch views so you can have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Moving down from that, you have your hazards and then your media controls and your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate. You also have two 12 volt power outlets here and two USBs, so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you have your auto start stop shut off, your tow haul mode button, and your traction control shut off. Then you have your 4x4 controls and your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then you have your your parking brake, two cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest here with plenty of space inside. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.